In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert your air conditioning unit so you can use it as part of a refrigerator or freezer. In my application, I happen to have a 6x10 trailer, and I'm converting it to a mobile freezer. I'd like to use an air conditioner, but the air conditioner only goes down to 60 degrees. And then it'll turn off. So it'll never get below the temperature or to the temperature I need, which is about 28 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit. So in order to achieve that, I need to bypass the controls and use my own controller, which happens to be the InkBird 308, ITC 308. There's the specs in the back. $35 on Amazon. I looked at CoolBot. CoolBots are very expensive, running around $300 to $350. No need for that. This does exactly what I need it to do. All right. So this is a 12,000 BTU brand new air conditioner. I got at a liquidator. A little bit of damage, but brand new nonetheless. And the way you take it out is you remove, for at least for the LG models, take these 4 screws off. It's 4 screws all the way around. Take it off and then slide it out. There's even a handle on the side here. Helps you slide it out. After that, you'll see this box. This is what we're going to focus on, really the electrical part. All right, you can see this box over here. Take that off. You're going to see your board over here. Take that off. Let it hang. It's going to be very short with wires. There's going to be 3 connectors on it, at least for the LG model. You can have this 5-pin connector, this 2-pin connector, and the connectors come off very easily. Squeeze the sides, it releases the latch, and that's it. Pretty straightforward. And this blue connector. The blue connector is part of a separate wire harness. Wire harness is connected to the side of the sheet metal. The blue wire is actually on the inside, and the thermostat or thermistor is on the other side. All right, blue wire, same thing, gets disconnected just by squeezing on it, and it connects to the board. Now the thermostat or thermistor gets connected to that plastic part. That measures the temperature as it is going into the system. All right, these fins here are very delicate. Be careful not to damage them. It'll reduce the effectivity of the cooling. So I take that out. I take this wire harness out. There's no need for it. It's just now not going to be used. Also, you'll notice this capacitor. This capacitor is very, very dangerous. 270 volts, 10.5 amps. This can kill you. So properly discharge it. Watch a YouTube video, hire an electrician, whatever you got to do. I'm not an electrician, so I'm not going to show you how to do it. But definitely make sure you discharge it properly. Your life depends on it. So there's 3 main components electrically that I want to talk about to basically convert this air conditioner so that you can use it, so you can reduce the temperature below 60 degrees. So you have a compressor, which is here, and you have 3 wires. You have red, blue, and brown. You also have fan. You have fans here, or a fan here, with 5 wires. All right, you have 2 wires, which are, so you have these 3 wires here, black, red, and blue. There's a wiring diagram on the housing of your fan. It'll tell you which one's high. For me, black is high. I only want the fan to be on high, so I'm not going to use blue and red. So this is for my hot, and then on the compressor, the brown, that's my hot as well. The other 2 are connected to the capacitor. Then this is my hot from my line voltage going to the plug. All right, so I have green ground, white neutral, black hot. So I connect the black hot to the brown and also to the black from the fan. The brown is the compressor, the black is the fan, the other black is the line in voltage. These 3 will turn on the fan and compressor at the same time. That's it. I'm going to have the controller, the InkBird, actually do all the controlling. So I just want this to be on all the time and let the InkBird determine when it goes on and off. All right, then the orange and yellow, in this case, in this particular example, not in every example, and you'll have to be very careful about this, but in my example with this LG, the orange and yellow get connected to the orange and yellow, which are actually connected to the capacitor. All right, and that's it. Orange, yellow, which came from that connector. Then the black and the brown, that's the live for the fans, the compressor, and the line voltage. So these 3 get connected here. All right. black, black, and brown. And then that's it. These I don't use. This is low and medium. Capacitor, you want to make sure you properly discharge it. And then once that's done, you can of course close it all up, and you're done.